Welcome to our yoga art stretching performance today. Friends, today I will show you some stretching movements where yoga is not just exercise, it becomes a form of art that will teach you something new. Friends, first we slowly prepare the body. Take a deep breath and release the breath. Feel every part of your body as a new sensation begins to flow through it. Friends, now watch how each stretch comes together to create a beautiful, rhythmic visual art. Soft movements, calm postures, and complete control of the mind. This yoga art stretching makes the body more flexible, calms the mind, and takes you closer to your inner strength. Close your eyes, align yourself with your breath, and feel yoga is not just exercise, it is a form of meditation and art. Friends, thank you for being with us. See you in the next video.